football season again is upon us, and we've been excited to go around town and get to some practices. And let me tell you, there's a lot of excitement from the coaches and players, and we wanted to give you a little taste. So here are the sights and sounds of the first week of football practice in the county.
And they're going to put us through our conditioning. Say go. You got 3 minutes, go. Blaze on 3. 1, 2, 3. Blaze. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Square up, square up. Go. Go. One step, miss. One step, set up. Move, move, move. Push on. Oh. Good job, line. Down. Set go. No world times. Get over here. Let's go. Get set. Here we go. There it is. Good scene. Good scene. Hey. 1, 2, 3.
And if you're itching for more coverage, 2-a-days will be a daily segment starting next week. We'll be featuring 2 high school football teams a day up until the last week of preseason, previewing all Kern County teams. So make sure to tune in starting Monday, August the 5th for that coverage. We got a lot of teams, guys, a lot of excitement coming up.
So many you got to do 2 a day?
Yes, 2 a day.